Well, very good morning, guys. Well, so last day, yeah, because of uh, because of the rain or something else, many of the people have missed up the class yesterday, but that's okay. Actually, once the meeting link changed, they don't provide the videos at all. But still, I asked to just provide the video because the number of people have missed the class yesterday. I posted the video in the Google Classroom, guys. Your yesterday's class video is in the Google Classroom. Okay, so I just posted up in the Google Classroom. You can just use it. And the second thing is also for every batch, we just maintain a separate WhatsApp group for posting your doubts. Okay, so there is a WhatsApp group created, and the WhatsApp group link also I just posted in the Google Classroom. So you can just click and join in the group. Is that clear? Okay, so all of you can click and join in the WhatsApp group. And very clearly, I'm telling you in the WhatsApp group, yeah, along with yesterday's video, all the completed videos. Still now, every video is available here. From today onwards, no video will be provided. You should be perfect and regular in the class. Okay. So all the videos just put up to yesterday. Okay. And one more thing, join in the WhatsApp group. Contact your admin, Siva. Contact your admin. Okay, for the Google Classroom. He will add you in the Google Classroom. And one more thing I just want to say you, the WhatsApp group is only for sharing your doubts, posting your doubts, guys. Any questions or any doubts, you can just post them. Don't pollute the group by saying good morning, good afternoon messages. Okay? Don't just pollute the group. Good morning, good evening messages, don't post it. And second thing is, for all of you, mainly for online students, I'm telling you, don't post your Google Classroom links or any Google Classroom link or meeting IDs in the WhatsApp group. If you post it, the next second you will be blocked. You are required to repay your complete fees and join for the course again. Be careful. You are not at all going to be, you share only your doubts. Okay, someone asks to share me WhatsApp group link or something, you don't do it. That's not your job. That admin job, the admins will do. Okay, clearly telling you, WhatsApp group links or Google Classroom links or meeting links, don't share them in the WhatsApp group. Is that clear? You have it, you just bother about yourself. Other people, if they're asking, they'll contact the admin. Understood? Okay. So that's very clear. Mainly for online students, I'm warning you guys because you only do all these things. You just post off all the things. So be careful, don't post. If you post it, you will be blocked. You are required to repay and join for the course again. You will not be allowed for any class anymore. Okay. Yeah, I added the Google Classroom. In the Google Classroom, I just put it. Yes, guys, in the Google Classroom till now, all these things are what I put it. I just put up the WhatsApp group link there to join. And second thing, I just also posted you the Visual Studio installation guide. And here all the videos still yesterday. And this is the complete notes of the session. Okay, now it's not the complete notes, guys. We have one more thing because for you, from your batch, Windows Forms and ADO.NET is added newly. For your batch, Windows Forms and ADO.NET is added. Till the last batch, we don't have them. For your batch, it is added. Windows Forms and ADO.NET. So that notes is not still there. But by the time we reach there, I will just post you that particular notes also. As of now, object-oriented programming, all the document I posted there. Okay, now? What I'm telling Divya, contact your admin. I won't send any links. Okay, contact your admins for that. Your ID card verification should be done and then only they'll give you the links. So I'm not responsible for that. Just contact your admins, please. Okay, fine. So last day, what did I explain you? How to write a program? Yes or not? So last class, I just been explaining you how to write a program. How to write a program? If at all you want to write a program, the first important thing you require to understand is how to define a class. The first thing is how to define a class. How do you define a class? See, concentrate on this, guys. First, modifiers, class, name of the class, and here we define the members. We define the members. So modifiers, class, name of the class, and here we define the members. And this is called a syntax. We call it a syntax. The structure will be like this. And in the syntax, what did I say? If I use square brace, what is the meaning? Optional. If I use angular brace, what is the meaning? Any. That represents any. Okay, square brace means optional and angular brace represents any. So if you just look at it, what is the first one? Modifiers. What are modifiers? Modifiers are some keywords. Modifiers are nothing but some keywords. There are going to be some keywords. We use them on a class. So a lot of keywords are there: public, static. Like this, we have a set of keywords. As of now, they are optional. Ignore them. I will talk about each and every keyword when the time comes. And as of now, look at the syntax. That is optional. That is not mandatory. Okay, now next, class. Again, class is a keyword. Class is a keyword again. And to tell you are defining a class, just like say in C language, if at all you just wanted to define, in the C language, if you want to define a structure, we use a keyword called struct keyword. Same way here we use class keyword. Okay, and here what you define is the name, whatever name you want to give, any name here. Angular braces, what it represents? Any name. Choice is yours, you can give any name you like there. Next here you define the members. And day before yesterday I said you are members means your variables, functions, all these are called as a members. Okay now? So that is the syntax to define your class. Solid principles. Solid principles will not be covered here. We are not going to cover solid principles and all the things. So don't talk about the architecture here. You just came as freshers. We'll teach you just like freshers. Each and everything like a fresher only. Okay, not like 4 or 5 years experience. So solid principles, all the things will not be covered. Yes, ASP.NET is there. You have ASP.NET in your syllabus. I already said in the first video only. C#, ASP.NET, Angular, HTML, JavaScript, SQL Server. All these 5 will be covered to you. Is that clear? Okay, so first we're starting with C# mostly in this week or next week. SQL Server is scheduled, guys. Okay, I'll tell you. You can just attend for the SQL also. SQL also you can just set in parallel. Parallel you can do SQL. Okay, later on after completing SQL, start with HTML. Start with HTML. Okay, Angular and all. And after completing C#, we'll start with MVC. That is ASP.NET, web development. Here I'll just show you console development and GUI. Console and GUI. And there you'll be learning about in MVC classes, you'll be learning about the web development. Okay now? Fine. So yeah. So this is how you write this is how you just go for writing the class. Second thing, if you want to run the class, what you require is a main. What you require is a main method. You just require a main method to run this particular class now. How do you write a main method? Again, static void main. Static void main. And here we are just going to have string args. String args. We can pass a string array as a parameter, but passing a string array is only optional. That is only optional, not mandatory. But in Java it is mandatory, guys. Do you remember? Monday I explained to you Java syntax of writing the code, C# syntax of writing the code. On that day I said you. In Java it is mandatory, but when you come to C# it is not mandatory, it is only optional. Okay, and afterwards we just open the curly braces and we go for using the statements. We just go for writing the statements. Okay, and few things I just said you in the last class, guys. One more time I'm giving an overview, but to be clear, I posted the video for you just to watch the appropriate video about the syntax and everything I just explained in detail yesterday. Watch it. C# is case sensitive language. C# is a case sensitive language. Because it is a case sensitive language, we're required to follow some set of rules and regulations here. Watch it. All keywords will be in lowercase. All keywords will be in the lowercase. When I say keyword, that is in lowercase. Static is a keyword. Class is a keyword. Void is a keyword. So all keywords must be written in lowercase. Okay. So when I use the word keyword, it's in lowercase. Recollect here in C sharp, we learned about reserved words or keywords. C language provides you 32 reserved words or keywords to you. C sharp provides you 81 keywords or reserved words to you. And all the reserved words or the keywords should be in the lowercase. Okay, now, second, names will be always in Pascal case. Names will always be in the Pascal case. Name of the class, name of the method. See, main is the name of the method now. Pascal case. What is Pascal case? First character of the every word will be in uppercase. First character of every word will be in the uppercase. That is called as Pascal case. Suppose you said hello world. What is this? This is uppercase, right? And this is lowercase. This is Pascal case. And this is camel case. So industry basically follows these different patterns, guys. Uppercase, no language adopts. Lowercase is what we followed in C language. Recollect, printf, scan up all. Lowercase only we write. Pascal case is what we adopt in C sharp. And camel case is what is adopted in Java. Are you clear? So basically in Pascal case, if at all you have multiple words, first word will be in the lowercase. Sorry, in camel case, if you have multiple words, first word will be in the lowercase. From second word onwards, it will be in the Pascal case again. So yeah, all these four Pascal case is going to be more readable, and that is only what we follow here. So don't forget, every time names will be in Pascal case. Okay, now. Okay, keywords are lowercase. Keywords always in lowercase on. Okay. So fine. Yeah, we'll try writing a simple program. So if you recollect yourself, last day I shown you how to do it. Yeah, one more time I'm showing you guys. The first step what you'll do is, listen. On your computer, on some drive, D drive or E drive or whatever it is, create a folder with the name called C sharp. Okay, I mentioned you in detail in the notes to you, check it out. Okay, on any drive you like. Don't do it on C drive. That's my suggestion to you. Don't do it on C drive. Yesterday I said you, leave C drive only for softwares. Don't save your programs on the C drive. That's my sincere advice to you. Okay, now. So leave it completely for the program. So what you do is, in the C drive, in the D drive or E drive, create a folder with the name called C sharp. You know. So I'm creating an E drive, guys. I'm creating an E drive, but I'm just going to create a folder with the name called C sharp. I'll name it as 9. You create C sharp only. I'm creating C sharp 9. The reason I have so many C sharp folders, guys. For every batch, so that's the reason why I'm just using your timings here. Okay. But in your notes, I created it with the name called C sharp only. You just create C sharp. And very clear, no spaces, no special characters. Be clear. No spaces, no special characters in the folder name. So don't use spaces there and don't use special characters. Only alphanumerics. That's the better thing. So create a folder with a name called C sharp. That's all. I created as C sharp 9. With C sharp, please don't say C hash again. That's why I want you. Clear? Okay, don't use special characters. Fine. This is a folder. From today until the end of the classes, every program let us save into this folder only. Okay? Fine. Next. The second thing is open Notepad. Open the Notepad. Actually, we need to write our code, guys. To write the code, we are provided with a beautiful IDE by Microsoft called Visual Studio. And in Monday class, we have just been learned how to install the Visual Studio. The installation guide also posted in the Google Classroom for you. Okay, just to refer to that. If you have any doubts, install the Visual Studio. But even though you install the Visual Studio, we will see how to work with Visual Studio in the next week. How to work with Visual Studio next week. But this week, let us write the code using Notepad. Even though you are writing the code using Notepad, Visual Studio must be installed on your machine. Don't forget that. Are you clear? If you install the Visual Studio only, you will get the compiler, libraries, everything will come onto your machine. Otherwise, it doesn't work. So compulsory you need to install Visual Studio. Okay? Now open the Notepad and write the code. Come on. Just now I explained you the syntax of writing the code. Concentrate on this. Modifiers, mandatory or optional? Mandatory or optional? Ignore it. Ignore all the optional things. We'll talk about them when the time comes. What next? Class next, name of the class. Okay, class is a keyword, should be in the lowercase. Name. All names in Pascal case. All names in Pascal case. Okay, name of the class. What name? Your choice, guys. Give your name as your class name. No problem at all. Are you clear? I'm going to name it as in my first class, so I'm calling it as class first. Open the curly braces. The class is ready. The class is ready. Now in this class, what I wanted to do is write a main method. Come on, static, keyword, void, keyword, main, name. Names are again Pascal case. Okay, so static, void, main. And that syntax is mandatory or optional. Ignore it because it is optional. Ignore it. Open the curly braces. Now write whatever you want in that. Write your logic there. Okay. So what I want to do, I want to print something on the screen now. I want to print something on the screen now. I just want to show some message there. So if at all you want to print something on the screen, recollect yourself in the C language, we use the function called print. Correct? If you learn to C++, there is a function called cout. If you learn to Java, there is a function called system.out. So every language provides you one function for printing the output on the screen. And if at all you're working with the .NET, if at all you're just working with .NET, the function what we are going to use for printing the output is, listen guys, system.console.writeLine, and all of you be clear, all these are names only. What names I'll explain you, but all are names. Why I say you, because all our names, everything is in Pascal case verified. System is a name. Console is a name. WriteLine is a name. Everything is in Pascal case. W capital, L capital, C there. Clear? And write your message. What you wanted to write. What you wanted to write, write your message there. And here you write in any case, you like no problem. Whatever you put in the double quotes is for the compiler, that is nonsense. Whatever we put in the double quotes for the compiler, that is nonsense. So that's why it doesn't matter. Whatever you write, it will print. Understood? No need to follow any cases or anything when you put in the double quotes. So what I'm writing here, my first C# program, my first C# program using Notepad. Done. Code is ready. Are you clear? Come on, let us save it. We'll save the program. And guys, remember this. We want to save the program. How to save the program? You need to save the program with a .cs extension. C programs .c, C++ programs .cpp, Java programs .java, C# programs .cs, VB programs .vb. Extension is very important. Now, what should be the name of the files here? Any name you like. Any name you like. But preferred option is always your class name. Preferred option is always your class name. What's the class name? So better save it as first.cs. Come on, let's see it. File menu, save. Array, where is? In the E drive, I created a folder. What a folder? C#9. See guys, I'm pointing to E drive, C#9 folder. Saving the file there. First.cs. Click save. The file is saved there. Praveen, wait. It's required. Follow me. Okay. So just we have done it. Okay, done. Program is ready. Closing it. So my program is ready now. What do you want to do? I want to execute and see the output. If you want to execute and see the output, the first thing you're required to do is compile the program, guys. You're required to compile the program. And to compile the program, you require a C# compiler. The C# compiler will compile the program and generates you CIL code. You learned in your introduction classes. Remember, you write a program in C#, or you write a program in VB, or you write a program in F#. Any language is your choice. But every language has a compiler. Finally, all of them will generate you CIL code. So now we need to compile our program and generate the CIL code now. Now we need to compile the program and generate the CIL code. Pascal is not available right now. What's the introduction classes I said you? Initially Pascal was there, but today Pascal was not there. Today we have only 5 languages I said you remember? What are 5? C#, VB, F#, Python, Python. Last one, ML. Okay, so Pascal is not there. Initially it was, not right now, the compilers are not available. Fine. Now I need to compile this code. How to compile? You require to compile the code at the command prompt. You're required to compile the code at the command prompt. In the command prompt, you're required to compile the code, guys. Okay, now in the command prompt, you're required to compile the code. And all of you, carefully listen. How to compile the code in the command prompt? When I say compile in the command prompt, all of you know how to open the command prompt now. What you'll do? You'll just go for CMD, open the command prompt. Correct or not? Confidently, yeah. But guys, listen, not that command prompt. Not that command prompt. That command prompt will not help you in compiling the code. You can't compile from there. Then what command prompt, sir? When you install the Visual Studio software on your machine, it provides you it installs you one special command prompt on your machine called as developer command prompt. Is it clear? When you install the Visual Studio software on your machine, it installs you one special command prompt called as developer command prompt, and you require to open the developer command prompt now. Okay, how to? Go to search, guys. Go to search and search for it. What is it? Developer 2019. I have two versions on the machine here. That's why I said you Monday. I said you. And if anyone has 19 on your machine or 17 on your machine, don't worry. Install 22 or not that. Let both of them present on your machine. Don't uninstall. If you uninstall the old versions, say who doesn't have any old version, don't bother about this. What I'm telling you. Some people already have old versions on their machine. For them, I'm telling on the top of it, install of the latest version. Don't try to uninstall the old version because it is a big headache. If you uninstall also, it doesn't work. It will ask you to format your machine without the bloody headaches. Simply install what? 22 on the top of it. That's all. Okay, now. Okay, so I have both here. I did not uninstall 19. 19 is the old one. 22 is the latest. I did not uninstall the old one. So what did I do? I installed the latest. Tomorrow another latest one comes. I'll install on the top of it. So every time you install 10 GB, 20 GB, no, it doesn't consume, guys. On the top of it, if I install, it won't consume because already basic things are there. Only additional components will be installed. That's all. So it doesn't consume you 10 GB or 12 GB like first time installation. First time only will consume. You install another version on the top of it, within 1.5 GB only it will install off. Okay, so tomorrow 24 Visual Studio comes. I will install it on the top of it 22, but I won't uninstall 19 or I won't uninstall 22. On the top of it, 24 also will run for me. Clear? Huh? So which one to use? That is for VS 2022. Click on it. That opens to the developer command prompt. So this is the developer command prompt. When you open the developer command prompt, by default, it will be pointing to the location where the software is installed. Where is it installed? C drive, program files, Microsoft Visual Studio 2022, and here you will get the edition what you have. Yours is community. You will see the folder as community there. Okay, now you will see the folder as community. Mine is enterprise version because community edition is provided for students, guys. For students, it is free download. I'm not a student, and I am learning. I'm doing business on it. I am learning. I'm doing business on it. I'm doing business on it. When I'm doing business and I'm earning money, I cannot use a community edition. Is my point clear? I need to pay and get a proper licensed version, and ours are licensed versions. So ours are enterprise editions. So we use the licensed. We pay for Microsoft and get the licenses actually. So ours are licensed versions. So that's why ours is enterprise edition. But for you, you don't require enterprise editions or anything, guys. Three options for the community, professional, enterprise. Okay. So professional and enterprise are not for you. You will use them when you go to the industry. For you, as of now, simply go for using what? Community edition. That is enough. More than enough for you. Community edition will be sufficient for you. Okay now? So just go for using the community edition. Nothing different here. All features will work. All features will work. Okay, but tomorrow in a company, if you use community edition and start building the application, Suddenly, if the Microsoft just conducts any raids on you, they will just put a case on you. That's a legal offense. That's a big offense. Yeah, for students, not problem. For organizations who are doing business, if I use community editions tomorrow, if Microsoft can raid on RFID, and if it finds community edition, it will put a legal case on me now. Understood my point? Again, we need to just fight for this particular case. Is not in Hyderabad court. In Delhi or Mumbai, somewhere they'll ask you to come. But for business people, we can't use. You are doing business, so we require enterprise editions in it. You can use community edition. Okay, that is provided free for students. Okay. So where are we pointing now? To location where the software is installed. Or what next? Change to your drive first. We did not save on C drive. Where do we save? D drive. How to change the drive? Drive name, colon. Drive name, column. All these things in the last video, just explaining, guys. To change a folder, it is CD, not the drive. If you want to change the drive, it is drive name, colon. Okay, hit enter. You change it to the drive. Next. Go to your folder. What's your folder? CD is to change the folder. Okay, change directory. And which directory? C#9. Okay. When it compiled by using CSC first.exe error occurred. If you tell what error occurred, I'll tell you. If you simply see error occurred means how do you know what problem or what mistake you made? Yesterday someone messaged writing the program got an error. I said him the problem, he fixed it. Without telling me, I can't tell you what is the error. So for that only I created the WhatsApp group. You post your problem in the WhatsApp group so that I can respond for that. Okay, now compile your program. How to compile? CSC. C# compiler space your file name. Understood? That's how you should compile. Hit enter. Compile. Program is compiled. If any errors are there, I have shown you the errors there. Okay, and guys, observe it now. It generated you first.exe. And this first.exe contains CIL code in it. It contains CIL code in it. Now I can run it. How to run? First. Yes, listen. Windows operating system directly runs this files. First. When I hit first, it will directly run. Because .NET is the product of Microsoft. You install the runtime. Runtime required to install, run the program, sir. Runtime automatically recognized by operating system. Straight away when I say first and hit the enter key, it identifies the exe file and executes the file. It identifies the exe file and executes the file. Are you clear? Yes or not? But tomorrow if you are working on a Linux machine or a Mac machine, you open a command prompt like this and want to run, you can't run it directly. There you should run it like this. .NET first. Not on Windows machines, guys. On the Linux or Mac machines, you are required to run it like this. .NET first. Okay, so that's how. Did you come across Java in your academics? If you come across Java in your academics, if you want to compile a Java program, how do you compile? Java C file name. CSC, just like CSC, there we say Java compile, Java C file name. It compiles the code. And how to run the program? Java file name. You record to run it as Java and afterwards file name. Same way, how do you run? Not on Windows. For Windows, not required. Why? .NET is a product of Microsoft. It will not ask you for all these things. Straight away you can run the code. And when you run this, it will immediately invoke you. It will immediately invoke you the .NET runtime and executes your code. No issues at all. Are you clearer or not? Okay. But when you want to run on any other operating system, then you should say .NET and run the code. And anyhow, we are developing our applications by using .NET Core. .NET Core, the latest version. We are using the latest version. So this code will run on multiple operating system. Machine understands only 01 code. How to display my first C# program. Yeah. Machine understands only 01 code. How to display my first C# program using Notepad. Did you learn C language, Asaram? Did you learn C language? In C language, I thought about that here. Machine understands ones and zeros only. If I show you ones and zeros, will you understand? Answer me. I'll show you ones and zeros. Will you understand? Internally, the code what I write will be converted into machine understandable format, and machine understandable code again to human understandable format. The conversions are internally done. Otherwise, I'll show you the output as 10001 something. You will not understand anything at all. Are you getting my point or not? So if I show you ones and zeros, can you understand the output? You cannot. So that is the reason why, again, the computer converts that binary code back into machine understandable code. You are not responsible. Sorry, human understandable code. You are not responsible to do that. No. Okay. So are you clear? How to compile a program and how to execute a program. How to compile it? CSV file name. What is the file name? First.cs. And how to execute the code? First. What is generated? After compilation generated your first.exe straight away. Operating system by default identifies the exe files. Operating system by default identifies the exe files. You have calculator on your computer. Array, by default calculator comes on your computer now. What is the name of the exe file? calc.exe. Array, every application is .exe, guys. Calc.exe. Watch it. It should open the calculator. Are you clear? I want to open Notepad. Watch it. Exe name is notepad.exe. Exe name is notepad.exe. I want to open page. Exe name is msp.exe. Got it? Any application opens like this from the command window. From the command window, if you know the exe name, enter the name of the exe, that opens to you. So every day you double click and open the software, then nothing but exe file only, guys. What you open is the exe file only. You're just going to open the exe files only, basically. Okay? You can type the exe file name and it has to open. Word, MS Word or Word. MS Word, I think. WinWord. I forgot here, the name of the exe, but if you type it, that should open that also. If it doesn't recognize, it will tell you not recognized. It is not going to be recognized. Okay. So whatever it is, if you know the name of the exe, type it opens. So right now, this is my exe name. Why is I do this here? No need to type this function here. You type the name of it enough. That's what I'm trying to tell. Okay. And don't try to run like this. That is source code here. That won't run. What should run? Compiled code only will run. Can I give first.exe, sir? Yes. You can. You can give first.exe. See there. But again, typing the exe extension is not required. If I simply say first also, that code will execute. You can see the code got executed. Okay now? So this is how you write a program, compile a program, execute a program. So where did I write the code using? Notepad, right? Yeah, let me open that code. Array, where is that in this folder only now? Array, where is that program here? In this folder only now? I can open it like this, you know. Notepad. I just as your notepad will open up. When I say notepad will open. But see, notepad, your file name will load you the code. Are you clear? So simply say notepad file name will open the file now. Yeah, that is the code you have written. Look, concentrate. What is the first thing? Class. And what did I say? In object-oriented programming, you cannot write the code without a class, and the whole code should be inside a class. That is the first rule of object-oriented programming. Yes or not? And we learned about drawback of C++. C++ writes main out of the class. So coming to Java, C Sharp and all, main should be inside the class. Yogesh, how to debug Notepad. You cannot debug Notepad. You cannot debug the code in Notepad. You can debug the code only in the Visual Studio, not in the Notepad. Okay. So that is the first thing. What is the first name of the class? And every class is a container. So we just start it with a curly brace and with a curly brace. So it's a class. Inside of it, what do you have? Main. And every program requires an entry point. And what did I teach you? All programming languages in the industry has a common entry point. What is the common entry point? Main. We write in different ways in different languages. How do you write in C++? Void main. How do you write in Java? Public static void main. How do you write in C Sharp? Static void main. Main is common here. Syntax will be a little bit varying, that's all. Are you clear? If you go to BT, you write it as shared submain. There are also main only, but static main, sorry, void main, public static void main, static void main, like this, that difference will be there. Otherwise, all are going to be one and the same thing. So, static void main. And instead of it, we return a statement to print the output on this, just this is same as our printf. Just like we say printf or cout or something in C Sharp, what we write? System.console.writeLine. So let me explain you what is system, what is console, and what is writeLine. Understood first how to write a program, compile it, execute the code? Yes or not? Okay. Now let me teach you what is this system, what is this console, and what is this writeLine. Okay, let me talk on this in detail. When it compile first.exe, it shows not recognized. Compile first.exe. How did you compile? How did you compile? Tell me. The compilation code is CSC file name, not first.exe. CSC first.cs. The compilation code is CSC first.cs. Aparna, I have posted the video already on the Google Classroom. You verified once. You just check out. Without practicing, you will not become perfect. Yeah, practice is important. That's what I said you in the classroom also. When I teach you, I will write 100 lines of code. Nowhere I'll get an error because I'm used. For 15, 16 years, I'm writing the code. Okay, but if you write the same code, you will get 100 errors. Practice is important. I will show everything in the classroom. I'll execute and show the output. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. When I teach in the classroom, it will be like a movie. Yeah, everything is fine. But you start writing, and then you will know the problems. So that's what I'm telling you. Practice is very, very important. Understood? Okay. And the second thing I tell you, don't put pendings here. For offline students, my suggestion is go to lab. You might have a laptop, carry your laptop to lab. With a laptop, you are provided with the PowerPoints and all to work on your laptops also. Are you clear? We have provided separate workstations to work with laptops in the lab. In the lab, there will be a lab coordinator who will guide you. Understood? You sit at your home. Lab is open from morning 7 to evening 9 o'clock. Okay, morning 7 to evening 9 o'clock, the labs will be open. You can just go to the lab, sit in the lab and practice. My suggestion for all of you is go to the lab. Most of the people, you have laptop, sit at your home, you don't know how to write a program, and you will just start it. You don't understand, somewhere you got an error. Immediately you deal with yourself and start watching YouTube now. So sit in the lab, guys. Lab coordinators will assist you and they help you in writing the code. Okay. So you may say, like, how will I get in my program? That's the reason why we provided workstations for laptops also. You can carry your laptops, or otherwise, computers will be available for practice for you. Okay, if you don't have a laptop, use the lab, use the computers in the lab. If you have a laptop, take the laptop so that program should be saved on your system soon. Okay now? But go to lab. Spend time in the lab. At least the minimum 3-4 hours, spend time in the lab. Here, you will know many of the new things. Okay? Fine. Yeah, have a look. Yeah, this is what. So what I want to do, I want to explain you what is system.console.writeLine. Even for online students also, my sincere advice is, if there is a possibility, come come to offline classes. If there is a possibility, if you cannot come, I can't help you, but if there is a possibility, come to offline classes. Okay, because right now interviews are also going on walk-ins only. Right now, again, interviews are going walk-ins, and within another 2 months, again, all the offices are open. No online will be entertained anymore. In the future, they won't entertain the online because in Hyderabad, it's a strict warning from the minister, the IT minister, KTR, for all the company, most of the companies, physically open the offices because work from home is good for companies. Okay, but because of that, infrastructure industry is completely going to be collapsed. They have built a lot of buildings there, commercial complexes and all. Putting in the mind, people will be coming there, and everyone start working at home. Working at home, no one will come there, and all that infrastructure, what they laid, everything will be collapsed off. You understand? Food industry that is completely collapsed. That completely collapsed because of the work from home. Food industry, not only food industry, every industry. Okay, metro. Okay, they started with 2 years. People won't be offices. Who use the metro now? Okay, cabs, everything, every industry was facing a serious problem because of this. That's the reason why they just strictly want many of the companies in Hyderabad to go for physically opening the offices again. Add some 1-2 months again, all the offices will be physically open, provided we don't have any fourth wave coming in action. So no fourth wave, nothing. Another 2 months, all offices will be open. No work from home will be entertained anymore. You need to physically come to the offices and start work. Is that clear? Okay. So that will happen. So that's why I say, okay, that's why they're conducting interviews also walk-ins, mostly walk-in interviews they're conducting. And they want people to come back. They want people to come back. Okay, in NameSpace, earlier, in and around all these places, Naresh only has 5 to 6 buildings here. We just have 5 to 6 buildings like this. This one building, but we have 5 to 6 buildings in Amirpet area. We're conducting our various classes. We teach Java, we teach Python, lot of things. And after our lockdown, you will vacated 4 buildings. We have vacated of 4 buildings. We have our one own building, and this is the second building we are maintaining. We maintain. With all the rentals, people won't get money from that now. So if one sector suffers, that impact will be on all the other areas. Yes or not? See, you get a rent, a good rent every month. You get 1 or 2 lakhs rent now. You spend in the same way. But when rent stops, you will start spending now. So the effect will be not on one place. The effect is on multiple areas. So let's say physical, again, everyone wants to be physical. You should come to normal life again. Okay. So that's why for all the people who there is a chance, if there is a chance, come to offline classes. And offline classes will be more better than the online classes. Because online class, you'll have a lot of deviations here. You'll be listening to the class somewhere. You'll open the phone, you'll look at the phone, you'll be just chatting on your phone, deviations. But in the classroom, it won't happen because I'll be before you. Okay, I'm very strict here. If you use phone in the classroom, I'll say get out of the classroom. Be careful. Okay, don't even try to touch the mobile in the classroom. Next minute, I'll send you out of the class. Okay, so it'll be very strict in the classroom. That impact will be there, and the subject will be reaching your mind much more better than in a online. When we don't have a chance, we have done that. But when we have a chance, we'll always try to utilize the functionality. So I just recommend all the people who there is a chance for only online students. If there is a chance, if you can come, just come to the physical classes. Okay, fine. Yeah. So system dot console dot right line. So let me explain about that one. What is system? What is console? What is right line? Let's talk about this first. What is the thing? Let's start with the right line. What is right line? Not from right line here. I'll start from console. I'll start from the console. What is console? Console is a predefined class in the libraries of our language. What did I say here? Previous classes I said you this one. Every language has libraries. Yes or not? What do we call libraries in C and C++? Forgot already, yeah? Header files, yeah. We call libraries as header files. Java, Packages. In Java we call this packages. In .NET we call base class libraries. I showed you the picture also to you. What we call base class libraries. So we have so many libraries like this, and in these libraries there are so many predefined classes for us to work with. How many you know? Today you written one class. What is your class name? First. Like this, Microsoft has defined you 14 to 15,000 predefined classes and given for you to consume. Did you get my point or not? How many? 14 to 15,000 predefined classes are defined by Microsoft and given for us to consume. That many number of classes? Yes, guys. It's an ocean of libraries where you can build any kind of application. You want to build mobile application? Yes, there is a solution. You want to build console application? Yes. Geo application? Yes. Database programming? Yes. Gaming applications? Yes. Machine learning? Yes. For everything there is an answer here. That is why it's a rich set of libraries what Microsoft has given to us. 14 to 15,000 predefined classes are defined by Microsoft and given to you in the form of libraries. In those, console is one class. Did you get my point? So we're starting with the first class, that is console. So console is a predefined class in the libraries of our language. And this class provides us with a set of members. It provides us with a set of members to perform IO operations on the standard. What are IO operations? Input output operations. Huh? So right now, different output monitors and output operation. Tomorrow I ask you, enter your name. You enter a name, that's an input operation. So I want to do some input and output operation. So to perform this input and output operations, we are provided with a standard we are provided with a set of members and all these members available. Okay, class provides us with a set of members to perform on the standard IO devices. You know what is the standard output device? The basic fundamental of the computer here. What is the standard output device? Monitor. Standard input device. Keyboard. Keyboard is the standard input device and monitor is the standard output device. If at all you wanted to perform any IO operations on the standard IO devices, you can take the help of that class. This class, console class. Okay, now. Okay. So that is what console. Then what is the write line? Write line is a method under the class console to perform what? Understood? Write line is a method. It's the method, guys. Method is nothing but function. I said your functions. Here we call method. What is printf? Function. Same way, write line is a method. Write line is a method. So how do you call? How do you call now? You have a doubt now. So day before yesterday, when you thought Monday, when you thought about calling, you said that members of the class should be called by creating the object or instance of the class. Array, what did I teach you guys? Monday, what did I teach you? How to call the members of the class? I said you by creating object or instance of a class. We should create the object or instance of a class and call it. That's what I said with C++ language, remember? Yeah, this is C program and this is C++ program. Members are inside the class, and to call the members, what we should do, I said you. And now you will be having it out. Sir, you said you need to create an object and call, but you did not do that. You did not create an object and call now. Yes or not? You did not create an object and call, but you have a big doubt in your mind. Okay? And recollect yourself. The next thing what I explained to you is Java and C Sharp, right? What did I say in Java and C Sharp? In Java and C Sharp, I said you, are here members are two types, so static and non-static. One is called by prefixing with the object and one is called by prefixing with the class name. What is called by prefixing with class name? What is called by prefixing with the class name? Check it out. Okay, leave it. Check the C Sharp program. Why Java? Check the C Sharp program. Collection of members. Two types of members. What are the two types? Static, non-static. Come to main. First one. Create the instance. I said your object is called as instance in C Sharp. Second. Third point. I very clearly said you on that if the member is static, prefix the class name and call, right? Yes or not? So right line is a static method. Right line is a static method. Because it is static method, I'm calling it as console.WriteLine. No, right line is not a static method. So what should I do, you know? I should first create the instance of the class. And now I need to call the method by prefixing the instance. But luckily, right line is not a not static method. It is a static method. Right line is a okay na static method under the class console to perform output operation. So console is a class and right line is a method. What type of method? Static method. Okay, and see, apart from the right line, there are many other methods in the class. Like there is a method called write. There is a method called read key, read line, clear, etc. We have all these methods in the class, guys. Write. What is the difference? Nothing here. Write is printf here. Write is printf. Right line, printf plus /n. Write is printf. Okay, it is nothing. Write is printf. It is nothing but printf plus /n. Printf plus /n. Okay, line break also you can get. That's all. Write is printf. Okay, fine. Now, there is a method called read method here for taking the input scanf functionality. For reading only three methods are there. Read key, read line. I'll tell you what we use of them. Clear. CLS we write now. This is clear. This is clear. See, right now, when I execute this code, look at this, all of you. When I execute this code, I'm getting the output. But a lot of other nonsense is on my screen now. I want my screen to be clear and show the output now. Got it, huh? Watch. System dot console dot understood? System dot console dot clear. Okay, save it. Come back again. Recompile. CSC first dot CS. CSC first dot CS. Compile it and execute the code now. First, watch. The screen got cleared. Watch. Are they clear? I'll show you guys. Every method will see what is write, read line. We'll check it out. All the appropriate methods. Okay. So, am I clear right now with the console? Console is a predefined class. Clear and write line are methods of the class. Methods of the class. And what type of methods? Static. Because their static object is not required. Now you understood? This is also name only. This is also name only. This is name of the class. This is the name of the method. I said to all names in Pascal case. Got it? Console is class name. Clear and write line are method names. All names should be in the Pascal case. Means first character of every word should be uppercase. Right line, two words. W capital, L capital. Read line, R capital, L capital. Wherever there are multiple words, you will be having capitals in both the two places. Okay now? Fine. So console is clear and right line and clear also we understood. What next? We need to understand about the system. Okay, let me clarify. What is the system? System is a namespace. And a namespace is a logical container, is a logical container of types. Logical container of types. And here you'll have different, after reading this, statement is very small, but there are multiple doubts here. What is that? So what is meant by logical container? Is the first question here. Second question is what is types? What is a type? What is int, guys? Int is a type. Is a data exactly simple what type? What is a type? String is a type. And what did I say you? Last week I said you, they're all born are defined. They're predefined. They are predefined. Are you clear? So there are so many predefined types for us. And to define a type, C language gives you three options. If you recollect, in C language, you have three options to define your own types. Some types are available here. You can also define your own types. And to define your own type, C language has three options to you. Recollect yourself. Structure. Okay? Enum. Union. Structure. Union. Enum. These are the three options the C language has given you for defining your own types. You have predefined types here. You can define your own type also. If you want to define your own type, three options are there in C language. One is structure, one is union, one is enum. Same way, C# provides me 5 options to define my own types. What are the 5 options, sir? First one, class. Second one, structure. Third one, interface. Fourth one, enum. Fifth one, delegate. Might be you might not learn about enums, unions, and all the things. I will teach all the appropriate things here, guys. What are the options I said here? Class. This is the very important thing. This is the very, very important thing. 90% will have classes only. Okay, now, second, structure. Third, interface. 4 and 5, delegate. You understood what the word type now? Yes or not? When I say type, that can be predefined, that can be user defined also. A type can be predefined, a type can be user defined. See now, here you defined a class now. What is your class name? That's a type, guys. That's a new type here. You defined a new type, understand? You defined a new type. Okay, to define the type, what we use? Class. Same way we can use structure, we can use interface, we can use enum, we can use delegate. Okay, what the difference are? I'll tell you guys, by the time you complete object-oriented programming, you will come to know what is the difference between all the 5, when you should define a class, when you should define a structure, when you should define a interface, when you should define a enum, and when you should define a delegate. Day one only I can't teach you all the things. Are you clearer or not? So we'll just understand about everything. But 90% will be working with classes only. Remaining 10% only will work with structures, interfaces, enums, and delegates. Otherwise, 90% classes only will come. And just now I said you one point, remember in the libraries, Microsoft provided 15 to 15,000 predefined, sorry guys, predefined types. Got my point? Predefined types. They can be classes, they can be interfaces, they can be structures, enums, and delegates also. All will be available. But most, again, we're also telling you, most importantly in that 14,000, 50,000, 90% of classes only. Got it or not? Remaining 10% only, all the other things comes. 90% are again classes only there also. Okay? Fine. So, Did you get the clarity? What is the word types first? Tell me. The second thing you have doubt here is what is logical container, sir? A logical container means no physical existence. No physical existence. It doesn't have any memory or something. I'll tell you a best example for logical container. On your computer, you have a hard disk, you have your drives, C drive, D drive, like this, you have drives now. On the drive, you have folder, and in the folder, you have files. Correct? Can I say a folder is a collection of files? Can I say a folder is a container of files? Yes, now folder is a container of files. Can I say a file is a container of data? A file is a container of data. Folder is a container of files, and a file is a container of data. Okay now? But in these two guys, I'm leaving for your, I'm just putting a question on your knowledge now. I'm just, what this is, in these two, one is physical, one is logical. Can you identify what is physical and what is logical? What is physical means it has existence, and what is logical? It doesn't have existence. What is physical? Correct? What is it? File. Files are physical. File has a size na. Folders are logical. Folder doesn't have size. See it? Windows operating system doesn't have a size for a folder. There is a size of the file, but not size of the folder, because folder is not physical. Folder is only logical. Why do we use them? Did I ask you about rocket place? Why do we use a folder? What? Why do you store files in a folder, guys? Why you can't store them on a drive? Why should I use a folder? Organizing, guys. Organizing. Grouping. We use folders for two reasons. Reason number one, grouping. Today we created a folder called C#9, right? Yes or not? See, basically every day I will teach 2 or 3 C# classes. 2 or 3 C# classes I'll teach every day. Now, when I say 2 or 3 C# classes I have, all the files that are stayed in one folder. How do you know what files are corresponding to you? Tell me now. Tomorrow you want to copy them. How do you know what files are yours? It will become a complex to identify or not. So to overcome this problem, what did I do? For every batch, I maintained one separate folder. C#7, completed one, 8, 9, 10, 11. For every batch, I have one folder now. So we are grouping them now. Organizing. Are you clear? Second reason why we use a folder, to overcome the naming collision. To overcome the naming collision. What is it? Listen, on C drive, can I create 2 files with the same name? Come on, tell me. On C drive, can I create 2 files with the same name? Why no? I create 2 folders and save them. Both are on C drive only. Create 2 folders and save them. Yeah, each file in a separate folder. Physically, both are on C drive only. Don't forget. But logically separated. Yeah, logically separated with a folder, but physically both files are on the same drive. Understand me? These are the 2 reasons why we use a logical container. That is a folder. Clear? Now see, operating system provides us one logical container. Operating system provides us one logical container. What is that? Folder. Same way, programming languages provides you one logical container. What is that, NameSpace. Operating system provides you one logical container. What is that? Folder. Programming language provides you one logical container. What is that? NameSpace. So what's the namespace? Namespace is a logical container. Folder is a logical container of files. Namespace is a logical container of types. Why do we use that? Same reason, guys. Grouping. What grouping, sir? What grouping? How many predefined types are available? From 14 to 15,000. All are for developing same kind of applications. All 14, 15,000 are for developing same kind of applications. No, not at all. Some are for developing web applications. Some are for developing mobile applications. Some are for developing gaming applications. Some are for database operations. Some are for file handling operations. Some are for GUI. Some are for console. Some are for networking. Yes or not? Now tell me, guys, I give you 14, 15,000 predefined classes and say use it. What? When to use what? How do you know? Understood my point? Further, to overcome the problem, what they have done, they created you namespaces. They created you namespaces. Something like this. Watch this picture, guys. You'll get a clarity. And namespaces. First namespace. What it contains? Tomorrow you want to develop the GUI application. Refer to that namespace. You will get all the types of building GUI applications now. This is for same way there is a separate namespace for file handling operations. There is a separate namespace for database handling operations. There's a separate namespace for networking operations. Like this. So tomorrow, guys, you want to develop a web application. Is it easy for you to search for the required classes or the required types from the 14,000, 15,000? Or is it easy to search for you from the related namespace? Related namespace. Are you getting me? You have a particular namespace and you can just use it. Clearer or not? Understood? What the second reason I said you overcome the naming collision now? Just now I explained about the folder to overcome the naming collision. Unfortunately, guys, this happened in my project. What happened, unfortunately, this happened in a project. What, two developers defined one class with the same name. Two developers defined one class with the same name. So naming collision starts now. Yes or not? In that scenario, what we do, watch it. Project is same, class name is same, but to separate them, we put them under separate namespaces. Project is physical here. Project is like my drive now. Physical. My classes are physical. To resolve the naming collision, what did I do? I put them under two separate namespaces. The first class is present under namespace called NSP1. The second one is put under namespace called as NSP2. So this is going to overcome the naming collision. How to refer to class first? Two class first are there. How to refer to them? NSP1 dot first, NSP2 dot first. Are you clearer or not? Understood me? Exactly similar. I match with the folder here. What I said you, the folder is exactly the namespace also. Okay, now see one more thing I want to tell you. I compiled it and I said you, I related you. This is just like a folder. But tomorrow, when I interview ask you a question, what is the namespace? My Sam said me to the folder. I did not say to the folder here. I compiled the folder. Don't go and say there. Namespace is a folder. My Sam said me namespace is a folder. Namespace is not a folder. Namespace is a logical container like a folder. I said that's all. I did not say namespace is a folder. I hope you understood my point. Yes or not? Okay, now you just understand. What is it? First, Microsoft has defined one namespace. Like this. How to define a namespace? Just like a class only. Just like how you define a class, you define a namespace. Yeah, namespace. Name of the namespace. Okay? Under this, what you can define? Types. They define one class for us. What? In this, they written a method. They written a method. Now I want to call this method now. Follow the hierarchy now. Where is it? System dot console dot right line. Tell me now. Only right line method is in console. No, so many methods. So which method you want? Tell that. Only console class and system are? No, so many classes. It's a logical container of types, etc. Then why one class? Multiple classes will be there. So which class you want to refer? Console class. See now. System is the namespace name. Dot. Console is the class name. Dot. Right line is the method name. Got it now? Are you clear? Yes or not? You write your name. You write your name. Your name doesn't have a meaning without your surname. Agree with me? Your name doesn't have a meaning without your surname. Do you agree with me or not? Do you know Sachin? Tell me, guys. Do you know Sachin or not? Who is he? He's a He's my office boy. Why did I say Sachin Tendulkar? I said Sachin only. Now, why you are telling Sachin Tendulkar? He's my office boy. Array, that's what I said you. Your name doesn't have a value without the surname. Tendulkar is the surname. Did I say Sachin Tendulkar? Then why you are telling cricketer? All Sachins are cricketers, huh? Sachin, just is out with Sachin. In every street you find a Sachin now. So every Sachin is not a cricket player. Okay? So point is, if I simply say tomorrow console, which console? So many consoles can be there. But system dot console, that gives you a clarity. The console class that is defined in the system namespace. After that, we are calling the right line method. You understood the hierarchy now? Yes or not? So now tell me, what is console? What is system? Name of the namespace. What is console? Name of the class. What is right line? Name of the method. All names must be Pascal case. Clearer or not? So that is why system S capital, console C capital, right line W and L R capital. Okay now? Clearer? Okay, guys, just check the notes, download, install this, and try writing the program. And all the things what I said you, everything is present or printed for you in the notes. You just read it. But sir, every time should I type system dot console dot right line? It's lengthy, very lengthy. How to simplify? I will tell you in the tomorrow session. Understood? As today, okay, I said your system dot console. How to simplify this? We'll discuss about this in the next class. Without writing that much lengthy code, how to simplify. We'll see in the next class. Let's stop here. We'll see tomorrow. Not logical name, namespace name. Don't say logical name. Namespace name, class name, method name. Okay? Google Classroom లో ఉన్నాయన్నీ ఎవరింకా వీడియోస్ ఇదే లాస్ట్ Sharkar, no videos will be given from today yaar. Until yesterday all the videos I put in the Google Classroom, from today no videos will be given. నిన్నటి వరకు వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇంకా లాస్ట్ yesterday they don't give. That's what I said you earlier. They don't give the videos. Once the link changes, they don't give the classes. But till yesterday all the videos are there. Today first half what I said is only yesterday's class only. You can watch the yesterday's video. Okay. చెప్పమ్మా వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఆల్రెడీ అటెండ్ అయ్యాను అంటున్నారు కదా జనవరిలో మరి మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ మొదటి నుంచి ఎందుకు? ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇంట్రడక్షనే కదా అయింది. ఆ వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి అందులో, కంటిన్యూ చేసేయండి. మళ్ళీ లేట్ 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 అలా లాంగ్ అవుతూనే ఉంటది. ఆల్రెడీ 4 months లేట్ అయిపోయారు, ఇంకా మీరు లేట్ చేస్తా అంటున్నారు. కంటిన్యూ చేయండి, ఇదే బ్యాచ్ లో కంటిన్యూ చేసేయండి. ఈ బ్యాచ్ లోనే కంటిన్యూ చేసేయండి. ఆ కంటిన్యూ అయిపోండి. HTML వచ్చా? అటెండ్ అవ్వచ్చు.